Okay, I'm going to be making some pumpkin seeds. I've got this is seeds from 2 pumpkins that I have. And I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of avocado oil. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. A teaspoon of cinnamon. Oops, that was a little bit too much. And 1/4 of a cup of packed brown sugar. And I'm gonna mix this up really good. These are going to turn out kind of like a peanut brittle. They're going to be, where you break them apart, they're not going to be like loose. Okay, after you get them stirred up really good, you line your cookie sheet with parchment paper, and then you just pour this out on there. I've got my oven set to 300 degrees, and I'm going to let them cook for probably about an hour. I'm going to keep my eye on them. Okay. Now you just want to kind of spread them out evenly. Kind of like in a single layer. I picked some of these the other day and they turned out really good. My mom loved them. They were really good. I put them in a kale salad. That was really delicious. Okay, after you get them spread out really even, then you just want to pop them in your oven, and then I'll show you what they look like when they come out. Okay, my pumpkin seeds come out of the oven, and I got mine pretty brown. You don't have to get them as brown as me if you don't want to. All you want to do is just take them and just break them into pieces, kind of like peanut brittle, like this. Whenever they cool off all the way, then they'll break easier. It smells so good. See, it just breaks up like in peanut brittle. You can use them as a snack if you want something sweet, or you can sprinkle them on salads, whatever you'd like to do. There you go. And when they get cool, I'll put them in a mason jar and store them. Okay, now I'm gonna taste it. They're so crunchy. Those are so good. And how I'm going to store them, I'm just going to put them in my mason jar. There you go. You just store them in your mason jar and just use them for whatever you want to. Thank you so much for watching me today. I hope you have a great day. Thank you.